Hi everyone, welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we're going to learn Python virtual environments with a practical demo. Let's get started. Why do we need virtual environments in Python? Well, imagine you have multiple projects on your computer. Each project might need different tools or libraries. If all projects share the same Python installation, installing one library for a project might break another project that needs a different version. A virtual environment solves this problem. Think of it like having separate rooms for different projects. Each room has its own set of tools and equipment. You can change, update, or install things in one room without affecting the others. This way, your projects stay organized, and you can work safely without worrying about version conflicts. In Python, virtual environments give you this isolated space for each project, keeping everything neat, manageable, and conflict-free. Now that we understand why virtual environments are important, let's see how to create one in Python. First, open your terminal or command prompt. Make sure Python is installed by typing Python version. You should see a version number. To create a virtual environment, we use Python's built-in venv module. Type the command python mvenv. Here, myenv is the name of your virtual environment. You can name it anything you like. After running this command, Python will create a new folder called myenv in your current directory. This folder contains a separate Python installation and a place to install packages without affecting your global Python setup. That's it. You've successfully created a virtual environment. In the next step, we'll learn how to activate it so we can start using it for our project. Once you have created your virtual environment, the next step is to activate it so you can start using it for your project. To activate the virtual environment, use the following commands depending on your operating system. On Windows, type myenv scripts activate. On Mac or Linux, type source myenv bin activate. After activation, you'll notice that the environment name, in this case, myenv, appears at the beginning of your terminal prompt. This shows that you are now working inside your virtual environment. Now you can install any Python packages without affecting other projects. For example, to install the requests package, type pip install requests. To see which packages are installed in your virtual environment, you can type pip list. This will display a list of all packages installed specifically in this environment. You can add, update, or remove packages safely without impacting your global Python setup. Your virtual environment is now ready for practical use. You can create Python scripts, run them, and manage packages independently in this isolated space. After you've finished working inside your virtual environment, it's important to deactivate it to return to your global Python environment. To do this, simply type the command deactivate. Once you press enter, you'll notice that the environment name disappears from your terminal prompt. This means you are back to the global Python setup. And that's it. You now know how to create, activate, use, and deactivate Python virtual environments. These environments help keep your projects organized, safe, and free from conflicts. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help.